Please don't leave me behind like everyone else. I've been roaming around in the dark all by myself. I can't see my tears in the rain. I keep a pistol, scared to share all of my pain. It might cause issues. Please stay away from me and don't get closer. Thought I might have had it all, but now it's over. Smoke flowing out of the whip, cause I'm a smoker. I just took some hits from the bong, yeah, I'm a toker. The way I live my life makes me question my existence. Ride around with Wesley and he ain't afraid to hit shit. Put the beam on him and it's likely I won't miss shit. Grind it out hard till I fucking get rich, bitch. I am just the one that decides to keep it realer. Smoking on some shit that they like to call killer. Spread your wings and fly, you gotta start a caterpillar. If I wanna catch a vibe, I start pouring liquor. They already rich, but I bet I get richer. Snakes in the grass, cut them down when they sliver. I am too fly, somebody take my picture. I am too high, so I go and dodge my liver. Flames get hot, but I'm cold like the winter. Bullets get hot, but the fake's artificial. I've been on my shit, I don't care what you into. Playing with my people, I'ma show 'em what the blick do. Please don't leave me behind like everyone else. I've been roaming around in the dark all by myself. I can see my tears in the rain, I keep a pistol. Scared to share all of my pain, it might cause issues. All I really wanna do is smoke and get high. All I really wanna do is fucking imbibe. All I really wanna do is shake back from my mistakes that I made like way too many times. Clip to my pants, he didn't know I had a knife. Bully breaker on me, you can come and set this fire. You can come and set this fire. Probably shouldn't fuck with me, my brother is a rider. Yeah, I'm always fresh. Sitting around wondering why I'm so stressed. I can't figure out life cause this shit is a mess. I am way too tired, think I just need rest. I got bullets that'll probably make their way through vests. I got kush, make your heart beat right through your chest. I got love, make your head spin just like this. Look for drugs, when I find them I spend my chips. And I get fucked up, I can't feel shit. Stuck in this cycle, swear to God I hate this feeling. I don't need to cock this shit back, I just peel it. Probably used to care, now I'm feeling indifferent. Please don't leave me behind like everyone else. I've been roaming around in the dark all by myself. I can see my tears in the rain, I keep a pistol. Scared to share all of my pain, it might cause issues.